700 call I will add for a reference. We'll keep these two as reference here. And I'll try to go one round on the put side. This will be the ideal level. Okay. Those who have less capital, wait for the level to short the market, not right at the open, because that fluctuation and one move against you can take out 30-40 premium also. So wait for that level. We are not going to buy call options, unless you get such a good confirmation. So trading on the put side only, but where you're going to trade, not right at the open. Maybe at this level, if you get, you will be trying for a trade. Okay. This will be the best level. That's where you got the double top. But this level also looking good. 22,880 level. We are close to that. Just 80 more points. If you get a one small bounce, you can short. Yeah, but I'll try right at the open with some small quantity. I sell calls also and I buy put also. Both I'll do. Taken this at 279. I got 297. Oh, I got it at 287. Filling the gap almost. Yeah. So see, this level is good now. Why? Because you have this rejection and you have this R3 also. So patiently you can wait if you get a bounce. But what if you are not getting a bounce? Because as per my calculation, it should have been a gap down, but we are not getting it. So for me, this is an opportunity to short, and that's why I went for it. I've added more here at 280. That doesn't mean you need to add at this higher level because this price have gone below also, right? And we are adding at a higher level. Yeah, if they fill the gap, there is a possibility of bounce. They fill the gap. Let's see now what is going to happen at 20 MA. So I'm looking for a move to 20 MA. That's why I have added at 280 level. Yeah, 290 came before also. Let's see if it comes to that 20. Okay, I'll reduce some at 293. I got 291. We'll keep this. I'll reduce some at 299. So that's what I mean by trailing. I'll reduce some at 307. Now I have the 65 only. Now we got 314. So I exit everything at 318. And that is now at 20 MA. Now, if it is coming to 200 MA, that will be great. So we have almost closed that trade, right? So the reason for this trade, this entry at higher price is because I was looking for a gap down actually, and I got a gap up. So that is my opportunity to go on the put side. So I went after that. Now the best option for everyone is this because we have R3, but I have gone in between, right? Yesterday's high. This is previous day's swing high and R3. That's why with low capital, that's your opportunity. Now, if you ask me whether I can take a trade at 200 EMA, S3 and all, it is something which is like a chance you take. Normally, when you see such kind of red candles and coming down, market scenario is also tight, you know, escalation threat is there. This is not a good setup, but usually this is your 200 EMA, this is your S3, this is your CPR, that is actually a very good setup on a normal day. So maybe if someone want to try a very small quantity with a strict stop loss, but looking at the way this candle is coming, entire this up move is actually taken out. So that is not a good sign. And I already got a put side trade. Whatever I was looking for, I got it, and I got the maximum also, like from 280, 317, which is almost 40 points. Now where is it? It is at 313. So I got the best that I can get. Right. So the question is, should I take a trade here? I've seen this question from mentees, so that is why I'm saying that this is a like maybe 130 quantity, not like the one. This is in our side, this is in our direction, so we can go like this. But if it is this, it should be a counter trade. So what we can do is a less quantity can be tried because this setup is very important for us. But already they have given a bounce, right? Don't know next time if it is coming, it could be difficult. Yeah, so those who those who entered with me should be doing good in this trade, should have done well. Others, that is our limitation. We cannot do anything with that. We need to wait for this level. So how many of you got this trade? Again, it is bouncing. That is an opportunity to short. Taken this at 274. Yes, I would say wait for the bounce till this level. I have taken it at 274 because I'm already in profit in this trade. So I can use that profit. Others, fresh entry only if it comes to days high, that is the first level, or at R3. So we are already getting some 10 points in this trade. I have entered at once, 274, right? Came to 285. Yeah, it's at 285. So what I'll do is I'll reduce some quantity as I'm getting 10 points, 274 to 284. If I want, I can exit fully so that I'll be in profit only. But what if this trade can give me a move till this level? Because I got a decent bounce after this candle, and my view is on the downside. So I got half of the bounce also. So that is why this 130 I'm holding. To 90. I'll reduce some at 293. So we'll keep this 65 now. 300. We should be done for the day almost, right? So we had the view, just worked on the view, and we're done for the day. Yeah, second time, those who missed the first entry, you got the second entry. Right now it's at 20 MA. That's why I've reduced almost everything, just holding this only. Otherwise, maybe 304 I can book. In that case, I'll be getting 30 points, right? So here, 274, 284, 292, it came to 304. So that is 30. This is 280 to 317, which is almost 40-point rate. There's 274 to 304, it came. So that's a 30-point trade. So there is no point in, you are looking for a 70-point trade in one go. In two go, you can take 40 and 30 or 20, 20, 10, 20 like this. You can get that 50, 60, 70 points easily. No, now I'm not adding. Let's see. Because it went to 304. Now coming down, still above 20 MA. Now I'll add if it comes to this level. Yeah. So back to 300. Three hundred. 305. Let's see if we get a move to 200 EMA. It's at 20 EMA, but we have just 65 quantity only. Yeah, it looks like it's bouncing, but the way it is coming, it looks like it can break. So normal scenarios, I usually add at this level. If not taking a put, I will sell calls when I see this kind of setup. At this level, I sell the call. Looks like our second trade also can give 40 points. 309. Yeah, if it give like 314, it's a 40-point trade. This will be a tough level. This, if they break, then we can look for direct S1 because it's a good space to go. Nothing in between. Breaking 20 MA. Yes, still you can enter, but we are already in a trade and we've almost got beautiful profit. So I'm not taking chance again here. But normally, when you see this kind of setup and breaking 20, this is where you can enter for a move till this. 312. So this trade also gave us almost 40 points. Our entry was at 274. Let's see if we get 314 and then we can close the trade. So we got 314. Still, it can go till 200 EMA as it is breaking, but we exited. I just want to show that here we got 280 to 317. Now 274 to 314, which is another 40 points. So if you try to get that, 80 points or 100 points, you won't get it. But if you try to scalp like this, you will get it. You understood? If you try to take in one go, it is going to be very difficult. But this is something which can be done. Now look at it, it's 322. Yeah, it looks like it is coming to that 20 EMA. The way it is breaking, it's coming to that 200 EMA this level. Can give 340 also. But we should be done for the day. It's a clean trade that we got. Yeah, you have no other way. You have to wait for a bounce. Now, see, now when things are very clear, now any bounce to like 9 EMA, 20 EMA that you can do. Opening, see, the thing is that why you need to wait that level is because we may get a sell off. R3 is there, this high is there. And opening in between, it is in the middle, they are opening between R3 and S3. So either side it can go. That's why you should be in a position to wait. But I know my plan is on the downside. I was looking for a gap down around this level, but I'm getting here. So what I need to do? I'm looking for the market to catch up to my analysis. If not that, I should get at least some move. So you need to take that risk. That is why I added also. If you see, it went down. That time I didn't add it. When I saw that it is again coming in my favor, I added here. And that actually helped me. Went till 317, 320. Now it is again 320. And this bounce was an opportunity. Because this was a big red candle. I got almost half of it retracement. Right? How you read like this is because you spend time in the market. That is what I'm always telling you. Even if you are not trading, you see someone trading and reading and analyzing with some time, it will, feed in your mind.